got my wife's engine out of the car. It's right there. Yep. And I still ain't got an engine. I ordered the engine back in May 5th. Yeah, Cinco de Mayo. Well, I'm going to show you this again. You see all that? That still got pressure in it. I have not ruptured it or any way. Thank God. That's where someone said you have to, you know, drain the system. I said that is bullshit. Well, the motor is locked up, and I don't know how I did it, but I got the engine out without taking the torque converter off. It bent the flex plate a little bit, but one of my friends said, why don't you just bend it back? But it still looks pretty good. And it's not about this, but it's about some of the tools that I use to get this engine out, and something I should have purchased a long time ago. Well, I'm going to move it down here where you can see me. I'm going to pull some of the tools out and let you see them. Okay, I'm back. I went to Harbor Freight and I purchased these impact drivers. See, that's the 1/2-inch drive one, and this is the 3/8 drive one. The battery's hard to get off. See, they take the same battery. And I don't even know why I haven't purchased any impact drivers since I've been working on vehicles, working on lawnmowers, working on everything. These are a lifesaver. They might have been cheap, but they're great. I've been doing everything the old-fashioned way, but not no more. Here's my favorite right here. Even got a battery indicator on there. It's got a light on it, and you can tell how full the battery is. And I'm planning on later on buying me another battery. Or I can 2 in 1. Well, I was going to show y'all the Brawler brushless impact drivers, and these are amazing. And I'm going to show you something else. Here's all the parts I pulled off that engine. That and them coils right there, brand new coils. The fuel injection system, the oil pan bolts, the manifold. And when I go to put this engine back in here, if the daggum thing ever showed, they told me June 2nd. And that's the time I'm going by right now. I don't know why. I think it's because of Memorial Day. They're so close to holiday when I done this, and I ordered it on May 5th. I should have already had that engine by now. Well, I will later on tell you who I bought it from. It was on eBay, because I went eBay with on that on the Jeep. That engine, which throwed the rod on the first engine, they honored their warranty and sent me another engine, and that engine had less than 20,000 miles on it. The Jeep don't, well, it's got over 200,000 miles. Well, 5 years later, it's still driving on it. That's why I went with eBay. But I didn't know, I'm learning now, that some people on eBay don't care. They think they run the show. But I got news for you. You do not run the show. And I'm not going to plan on rebuilding this engine. I'm just going to scrap it out. Well, my brother-in-law's going to scrap it out. But first I got to get this engine in, because it would help me with the location of the ground wires. On the other side of the motor, I'm fine. I got this marked, and I'm hoping June 2nd I'll be getting a motor over here, getting it ready to put in this car, and getting this car down the road. And the engine I'm getting has got 71,000 miles. And that's the reason why I bought it, 71,000 miles. Around town, I can't find an engine with that less miles. So I'm going to go with the 71,000 mile engine. And I'm going to put an end to this video. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on X, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching. And I will try to come up with an update video when I got the engine in my hand and the tools that I use to take this thing out. I had a lazy old cat sitting up under here a while ago, so I guess he's gone. Well, I'll talk to you later. Bye.